In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound in Roblox Studio. So to start, first you need to go to roblox.com and then click on create at the top. Now, once you click that, go to creations at the left side, click on it. Next, what you need to do is to go to development items. And in here, click on audio beside plugins. Now, this is where you can upload audio to use in your creations. So to upload one, click on upload asset, or you can drag and drop media here to upload. And take note of these informations. So maximum number of files is only one, and follow these formats. And maximum size per file is only 20 MB. Now, once you understood that, you need to click on upload asset to upload your audio. Next, what you need to do is to click on the asset type and make sure it is set to audio. And down here, click on upload and upload your audio. Now, once uploaded, you can rename it and add in your description. Once done, click on upload. So it's uploading now, wait for it to finish. Now refresh the page and go to audio and see if the audio has been uploaded. So as you can see right here, it's been uploaded. Now open Roblox Studio, choose a template, open one. Now once it's open, what you need to do is to click on Explorer at the top right. Now once you click that, a sidebar will appear. Scroll down and click on Sound Service. Click on the plus icon. Now in here, you can use the search bar and search for sound and tap on it. So I just click on the suggested one. Now after you click sound, properties down here will appear. Let me just adjust the size. Now scroll down until you find sound ID. So click on it, and to find your sound ID, go back to Roblox. So go back to creations and hover over to the audio we just uploaded and click on the three dots right here and click on copy asset ID. Now go back to Roblox Studio and paste in the copy ID right here. Press on Ctrl V to paste it. Once you've pasted the ID, click on enter. And down here you will see the preview button. So just click on it. You can also go down and go to playback. You can also loop it. So just click looped. And that's basically it. That's how you can add sound in your Roblox Studio. Thanks for watching.